In this video, I am going to show how to apply pipeline filter under Bulbul CRM. So this is our pipeline filter. Here we have these parent pipelines and under this we have child pipelines. Now suppose we want this to apply, then we just click on it and apply filter. This is how it will filter out. Now we also use search for applying. Suppose I am applying this. This is how it will also be applied. And now we need to select for stage. So stage is only selected only when pipeline is selected. So for a given pipeline we are selecting, suppose we are selecting for this one and this sample stage and just apply it, it will filtered out according to stage. From here we also save our filters, like we just entered the name here and save it. So now moving to dashboard, here suppose we need to apply this filter. Just apply it and this is how it will work. And we also choose from here also for this. Now next is pipeline and stages. Here we add parent pipeline and under this we are able to add multiple child pipelines. Suppose I am adding 2 child pipeline here. And one default stage is already being formed and one we are forming here. This is how pipeline will work in Bulbul CRM. Thank you.